Hi, I'm Sandra Barling from Harcourt, Somerville.
And I'm Grant Kersley, and welcome to Llandow, one of Somerville's most iconic and historic properties. Let's go and take a look.
Offered for the first time in nearly 20 years, this property is steeped in history and offers an enviable lifestyle to its next lucky owners. The home has been sympathetically restored over time, and outside offers the ultimate lifestyle with tennis court and in-ground pool. The extensive outdoor kitchen and entertaining area will be the envy of your friends and family. Thank you for taking the time to tour this stunning property. As you can see, it offers the ultimate lifestyle right here in the heart of Somerville.
Contact us for your own private tour, and we look forward to seeing you at the next open home.